Hello viewer, welcome to my channel Tech Fun Learning. Today I will tell you how to resize your image, your photograph for online job application. Means how to resize the dimension of your photograph or how to resize the size in KB of your photograph. So let's start. Open Photoshop. This is a Photoshop CS6 and drag your photograph. This is a photograph. So first we need to set the dimension. And what are the requirement? The dimension of our photograph is 3.5 centimeter width and 4.5 centimeter height, and the size is 20 kb to 50 kb. These are the requirement. So let's set the dimension. First we need to crop for the dimension, size and resolution. 3.5 centimeter. These are the other option. 3.5 centimeter height, width, and 4.5 centimeter height. Okay, now set. This is perfect. Take for OK. Now the dimension of our photograph is set, and now we need to set the size of our photograph. The size is 20 kb to 50 kb. These are the requirement. This is the requirement. So there are two options to set the size. First is save as, second is save for web. Save for web. You can set the format of your image, JPG. This image is 19.77K. You can set the quality from here. Now it is 33.07K. Now it is 60.99K. 35, 53. You can set here, set from here also. 42.37K. Now done. Save as. You can do it from here, or you can save directly from save as. Save as a copy, or you can directly save the image, same image, BK. Save. Okay. The size of this image is 213.0K, and we required 50K. Now it is 55, 50K. So okay, let's see what is the size after conversion. This is the image. Size is 44.0. We have set 50K. The size of the disk is 44.0K. Means perfect size to upload. And what are the dimension? Let's see. This is the image. You can check from here. Image size in inches, or you can say centimeter. 3.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. So इस तरीके से you can set the dimension and size of your image to upload for online job application. So friends, if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel also. Thank you.